How do you fix a buckle tongue that's turned around so that you can't buckle it into your buckle? So here we'll see that this one's turned around backwards. This one is fine. I can buckle it in quite easily. And this one obviously is turned around and would be twisted if I buckled it in like that. There's a twist. So how do we fix that? Well, I've got two methods to show you. The first one is where you would turn it around so it's flat, and you take a corner or a piece of the harness and just flip it around a little bit. You can make a triangle out of it if you want. I find that I don't need to make it a full triangle. I can just take a piece of the webbing just like that, and then grab onto the metal part if you need to, and just kind of slide it up and down, and that will do it. And you can see now that it's nice and flat, and it's turned around facing the correct directions. There are no more twists in it. The other method, which I find works for me, by the way, both methods, I use the chest clip buckled right here because it allows me to pull the harness taut. The other method is where I take the buckle tong, and I will show you, I'm going to flip it backwards and then I'll flip it back around again, is I just pull the buckle tong up and down the strap like that. So I just pull it up and down, and I do put a little bit of a, I guess, a crimp there in the side of the harness strap, but I find this method is my favorite because I just think it's easiest for me. I don't have to worry about taking a complete triangle or putting too much of a crimp into the harness strap. I just pull it tight and just slide it up and down, makes it nice and easy. So either method that you want to use, it's super easy to fix the backwards buckle tongue. So if you ever have that happen, which I'm sure you will at some point, because as you're digging around for that buckle tongue, it does become twisted quite easily. So just pull that harness tight and give that harness buckle tongue a pull, and then get it nice and straight for safety. So thanks for watching.